we need to perform some regular maintenance. To protect the machine and maintain its performance, press and hold the left or right buttons to move the printhead in the corresponding direction. Click the reset button in the lower right corner to return the printhead to its home position. Hold the left button to move the printhead left, exposing the waste ink pad. Spray some alcohol to the swabs and use them to clean the waste ink pad once a week. It is recommended to clean the print platform once a week, and clean the bottom of the printhead every 2 weeks. The guide rail gradually loses lubrication during use. Insufficient lubrication may slow down the printhead movement. It is recommended to apply lubricant every 30 days. The encoder strip is used for X-axis positioning and must be kept clean. Use the dust-free cloth provided with the machine for cleaning, recommended every 2 weeks. Waste ink from printing and printhead cleaning collects in the waste ink bottle. It is recommended to empty it weekly. After cleaning the waste ink bottle, securely close the protective cover. White ink tends to settle, forming solidified sediment at the bottom of the bottle. Unscrew and remove the metal plate. After emptying the white ink, check for residue. Add clean water, stir, and dispose of the loosened sediment. It is recommended to do this every 30 days. Then clean the printhead and print a test page. Confirm the test page shows complete color blocks, clear alignment marks, and no error codes in the system log. Now you can print.